Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 Jumpstarter 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Jumpstarter. The Utri Power Bank 4000A Jumpstarter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool for any vehicle owner. With its 4000A peak current, it easily jumpstarts 12V cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The built-in power bank function charges phones and tablets, while LED emergency lights provide extra safety at night. Its compact design and durable build make it easy to store in your car. Perfect for roadside emergencies, this Jumpstarter combines performance, convenience, and safety in one device. Number 4. Jumpstarter. The Vtoman 20000 mAh 4500A Jumpstarter is a beast in a compact body. With a peak current of 4500A, it can reliably jumpstart 12V cars, even large engines in seconds. Its high-capacity lithium polymer battery doubles as a versatile power bank, offering USB-C, dual USB-A, and 15V10A DC outputs. Built-in 3-mode LED light, strong strobe, SOS, and 10 advanced safety protections, reverse polarity, overcurrent, etc. make it rugged and safe. Rated for extreme temperatures -20 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade, it's a dependable on-road companion. Number 3. Jumpstarter. The Attertripcar 6000A portable 12V Jumpstarter is a powerful and reliable tool for emergency car starts. With an impressive 6000A peak current, it can jumpstart most 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles. It also functions as a power bank for charging phones and other devices. The built-in LED light offers added safety during night use. Compact, durable, and easy to use, this Jumpstarter is an essential companion for drivers seeking convenience and peace of mind. Number 2. Jumpstarter. The Utri 27000 mAh car Jumpstarter Power Bank 6000A is a powerful and reliable emergency tool for any vehicle owner. With its high peak current, it can jumpstart both petrol and diesel engines with ease. The large capacity battery doubles as a power bank to charge phones and devices, while built-in LED lights add safety during night use. Compact and durable, it's perfect for roadside emergencies, making it a dependable companion for drivers and travelers alike. Number 1. Jumpstarter. The Gulu 12V car Jumpstarter delivers impressive 4000A peak current, making it capable of starting most 12V vehicles, including petrol and diesel engines. Its 24,000 mAh battery also doubles as a reliable power bank for charging phones, tablets, or other devices. The compact design, built-in LED flashlight, and smart safety protection features make it ideal for emergencies. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile, and dependable Jumpstarter that ensures peace of mind during roadside or battery emergencies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.